Welcome back, my friends. This is Lindsay, and I am back with another daily work from home job lead for you. This one is going to be non-phone. Again, it is providing support through email. We are going to dive all in. Just know the links to everything I share are always in the YouTube description box below if you want to do additional research on the company or if you want to put that application in. Today's job lead is from the company Desmos. Now, they only have 19 reviews on Glassdoor, but they do have a 4.9 out of 5-star rating. They are hiring a user support associate. Now, this is remote. I do believe this is only for the United States only. But Desmos is on a mission to help everybody learn math, love math, and grow with math. They have built a suite of different online math tools, including a graphing calculator that's used by more than 75 million people around the world. But they are looking for a user support associate. Now, they break down what you should learn and the things that you'll be doing by your first few days on the job, your first few weeks and all. So within your first week, you're going to introduce yourself on Slack to your new coworkers. You're going to gain access to their email ticketing system, Zendesk, and begin training on how to respond to user inquiries. So that is the basis of the job. You will be doing support or responding to customer or user inquiries, but it is all through email ticketing system. Now, once you've learned the job and been there for at least 3 months, you'll start to work with their support, design, and product teams to also help create your first Help Center article. So when you're not busy answering questions through email, you'll be typing up articles and how-to FAQ stuff. So this is going to be a little bit of both, but it is completely non-phone. This is a full-time position. And unfortunately, they did not list the pay. That'll have to be discussed at the time of the interview. I did look around on Glassdoor and could not find an estimate either, but it says that every full-time member of their team not only receives their regular pay, but they get generous stock and salary compensation, as well as 401k match and a 5% annual salary raise. It says they also offer standard benefits, including medical, vision, dental, short-term disability, long-term disability, life insurance, all of those things. All right, if this job lead was not for you, that's absolutely okay. Always feel free to leave anything specific that you're looking for in the comments. I do read those and keep that in mind. Thank you so much for watching and supporting me, and I'll be back really soon with more work from home job leads just for you.